Hi, today our recipes will be pancakes. The ingredients: we need a cup of milk, a cup of pancakes butter, olive oil, ice cream, or honey. Steps 1. First, pouring the pancakes batter in a bowl. And then add the cup of the milk. 2. Then stir the pancakes batter for 3 minutes until the batter doesn't have any lumps. 3. Take a pan in the stove and put in a few olive oil and hold it some seconds. 4. With a little put in the pancakes. Butter in a the pan. 5. Let it fry for 2 minutes and then turn it on the other side. When you have made several, put them on a plate. You can eat the with ice cream or honey. They are very delicious. See you later.